Okay, so here I am on the viewport of Unreal Engine. So basically the viewport is where you're gonna edit and visualize the scene that you're working on. So basically if you want to edit the scene, you just can drag and drop static mesh and you have it on the scene. But you have to understand how Cartesian coordinate works in the engine. So as you can see, there is like 3 little colored arrow in here. So each arrow corresponds to an axis. So you have the red one here, that is the x-axis. So as I'm moving it in here, you can see the x-axis of location in the transform is moving. The blue one is the z-axis to move it up and down, and the y-axis is the green one. But as you can see, there's a little white point in the middle. So this is the pivot point of the object. So this is from where the object is going to move. So if I add the pivot point here, the left corner, if I rotate the object, you're going to see that it's going to take the pivot point in here, that is in the middle, the white spot in here. So by selecting an object, you just can press space, so you can rotate it, and you have the rotation in here, in the y-axis. You can play around with it, and you can scale it. So scale is this 3 little cube in here, so you can take it and scale down, scale up your objects. So the object is just moving using 25. As you can see, if I scale it down, it's going to drop from 25 by 25. But if you want to change it, you can go up in here on the top right and just select the snapping scale that you want. So if it's 10, it's going to be moving 10 to 10. Oh, it's not moving. 0.25. If you want something bigger or smaller. So this is the same for the moving snap, sorry. Just can select snap size. It's gonna move one by one. And 1 unit in here corresponds to 1 centimeter. And you have the same for the rotation. You can choose. If you just wanna select it, you just can press and uncheck it, so you can move with the mouse like that, using decimal value in here. Alright, so I think that's it. So I'm gonna see you on the next video to explain you more about the engine.